Hello, early learners. This is Miss Davis. I am here to do a little story time with you today. So today we are going to be reading Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. The author of this story is Tadgh Bentley. All right, let's get started. Do we remember what this is called? It's our front cover of the book. And what is this called? The spine. Good job. And what is this called? The back cover of the book. Do you remember what it's called when we can bend our book? Does that mean it's a hardcover book? No, it's a softcover book. It is floppy. All right, Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Oh, hello! It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. Boys and girls, how do you think Penguin feels? Does he feel frustrated? I think so. But Franklin has given me a new idea and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. Boys and girls, can you help scare Penguin? But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? You ready, boys and girls? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Does Penguin look scared? I think so. Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Oh, he really looks startled now, right? Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Uh-oh. Did it cure the hiccups? Arrgh! Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout! Go crazy! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me. So now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups! They're gone! Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco. Is that a good idea after he just had the hiccups from spicy chili? Uh-oh. What happened? He ate the tacos and got the hiccups again. Oh my goodness. The end. Boys and girls, was that a silly book? What did the penguin have? What did he have the whole book? The hiccups. And what cured his hiccups? When the whale scared him. That's so silly. All right, thank you, boys and girls, for joining me for story time. Maybe we'll have another one again soon. Bye-bye.